In this video we're taking a close look at Yupp AI, an AI-powered tool designed to make your workflow smarter and faster. At first glance, Yupp AI promises everything from content generation to task automation, but how well does it actually deliver? One of the biggest advantages is its intuitive interface. Even beginners can start generating content or automating tasks in minutes. The AI is surprisingly good at understanding context, producing coherent and relevant outputs for a variety of use cases, whether it's writing emails, creating social media posts, or summarizing documents. On the downside, while Yupp AI is fast, it sometimes struggles with nuanced or highly technical prompts, which can lead to generic responses. Pricing can also be a consideration. The free tier is limited, and unlocking full capabilities requires a subscription. Additionally, integration with other apps is decent but not as extensive as some competitors. Overall, if you're looking for an easy-to-use AI assistant to boost productivity, Yupp AI is worth trying. It's not perfect, but it's a solid choice for individuals or small teams looking to save time and automate repetitive tasks. Give it a try today and see how it can streamline your workflow like never before.